Lazareth LMV 496. The Flying Motorcycle. The Lazareth LMV 496 is an extraordinary motorcycle that offers the ultimate blend of luxury and performance, with the added thrill of being able to fly. This limited edition bike is a masterpiece of design and functionality, powered by electricity to give you a ride that's not just fast and smooth on the road, but also capable of soaring into the sky. It's the height of innovation in the motorcycle world, providing a one-of-a-kind experience that combines the excitement of riding on the ground with the freedom of flying. This bike is truly a game-changer, offering a unique mix of terrestrial and aerial adventures.